Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on any paper shredder. You may have put in too many pieces of paper in there at once. You may have accidentally dropped a coin in there or sticker residue. A lot of times with invoice letters, they'll have stickers on there that will clog it up. Or you may, like I said, you might have put too many papers in there at the same time. It's pretty easy to fix. First thing what I want you to do is go ahead and plug it in. And I want you to look at the control panel. There's usually an auto, and that's probably what you have it on. And again, this will work with any brand paper shredder you got. It's on auto. There's a reverse and forward method, right? So what I want you to do, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. And I want you to put it in reverse, and I want you to go from reverse back to forward, back to reverse. If you can't get it out and you're pulling, go ahead and put it on forward, back to reverse, and so you get the picture. Basically, you're working it out. Hopefully you can get it back out instead of feeding it back in. So let's go ahead and get the rest of it out. Let's say we still have a paper jam. I'll go ahead and put this one in reverse. Okay, so let's say I still have a paper jam, there's more paper, whatever. What I want you to do, again, get as much out as possible, put it on forward again, reverse, back on auto. Now what I want to do is unplug it, and then it's going to show right here. When you take the top off, you might be able to pull more paper out while it's unplugged. You can get your tweezers. You can use the needle nose pliers. You're not going to hurt anything if you see a coin in there. That's a piece of a sticker right there. Right there, it's a piece of sticker. And you'll find that the sensor is usually in the center. That's when it knows to start running for paper. So clean out this as much as possible. Empty out your containers of your paper shredder completely. And what I want you to do, you got most of it cleared out on the top, on the bottom. Get like a piece of cardboard, and yes, believe it or not, feeding more paper into it is what you need to do. And what I want you to do, using cardboard, or you can use a paper towel or a little bit more paper stacked together. But what I want you to do, the sensor is located here. It's usually about 2 inches long. I want you to go into the side like this, and it's like you're cleaning out the blades like this from the side, and then go here and go clean them out from the side. And when you feed the cardboard, I want you to feed it out like this from one end, like this. Oh, I've got to turn it on. So feed it out from the side like that. And believe it or not, cardboard like that, not too thick, but you saw there it was like snack cardboard on a box, will actually clean the blade out as it goes through. It'll clean out that sticker residue and everything else like that. So that is how to clean out to clean it out if you have a paper jam. Or if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. Let me know what model number paper shredder that you have, and tell me which method worked.